Pakistan looks at Russia as a very important global player and a country that has a role in this region in peace and stability. Um, we have been forging very good cooperation. As we have said earlier, our bilateral relations are on an upward trajectory. And it's not just defense, we are looking at cooperation across the board. Um, on many international issues, we have, I would say, convergence of views. We are part of the like-minded group in Geneva, the Human Rights Council. We would like to see greater Russian involvement in economic development in Pakistan, in investment, and there are various initiatives that are in the pipeline in this context.